How are we doing, folks? We're out here in H&H Motors on the Cork Road in Waterford. I just want to take you through the Renault Master van. This here is the demonstration model van we have in stock at the moment. It's a medium wheelbase Master van. As you can see, it's the larger height. On the specification of the van, it's quite simple. You have the reflector lights here, or indicator lights here on your mirror cap. On the far side here, you also have your bumper protection. We fit a lot of accessories here in H&H Motors also, so you can add a tow bar to the back of this van. You can also add a ladder to the rear door and the roof rails on top as well. Just to show you the back of this van, quite spacious. Now this is the medium wheelbase, you can get it in the long wheelbase as well. As you step into the van, it's 6.2 feet high. So plenty of space to stand up inside. We'll take 2 European pallets quite comfortably. Plenty of space. You also have the side door option. Easy access, again, for a European pallet. All protected the whole way along by the bumper strips. All the way through. Just draw your attention to a couple of the features here in the front of the van. Not everyone would know this. I'm pretty sure there's customers out there who have bought these vans and still don't know that some of these features exist. On the front of the van on both sides, right and left, you have a step just inside here, so it's easy access. You step up and grab either a roof rack or a ladder, whatever you have, piping, whatever at the top, or strap it on. Also in the front of the van we have front fog lights as well. The purpose of this video today is very, very simple. What we want to do is to show you, the customer, how affordable a new Master van can be. What we have here is your typical medium wheelbase van. It can be used for a construction, electrician, plumbers, anyone in the courier industry as well can use this van. But rather than driving around in an old van, pointless spending money on DOE testing and everything else, which can rack up into thousands of euros. You can actually buy a van, a new van, at a very affordable price. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write the figures down here on the van for you, just to show you how much this van could cost you. So this video is done with the figures broken down with the VAT as well, so you must be VAT registered to take advantage of this offer. So this van is retailing at 26,600 euros. So that's the retail price. No extra charges on top of that for a glazier white van. We currently have a March offer of 4,000 euros. So we'll take 4,000 euros off that price. And that gives us a price of 22,600 euros. Now this is where the magic starts. This is a fantastic offer, I've no doubt about that. But if we take the VAT off this price, so if your customer comes in and pays the VAT up front, the VAT amount on that figure is 4,470 euros. Which means when you pay that VAT up front, you'll only be financing 18,130 euros. We have our own bank here at H&H Motors, Renault Bank. RCI Bank we call it. They're absolutely super in terms of rates. We can give you that figure of 18,130 euros at a 3.9% APR deal over a 5-year term. So just to give you what that would cost you on a monthly basis, taking that figure at 3.9% APR, that van will now cost you 329 euros per month. A very small figure really for a van of the stature, the size, the capabilities that you can use with it. You take that figure 329, ask yourself how much money you're spending on your old van currently, how much money you're spending on your running costs of your own van, and how much money you're spending on your DOE costs of this van as well. To break that down even further, that's just 76 euro per week, folks. So 76 euros a week for a new van on the road, 0 mileage van, no big mileage on it, lower DOE costs, lower maintenance costs, but a van that's reliable. These vans come standard on 171 in the Renault range, where it's a long wheelbase, a medium wheelbase, where it's a traffic or wherever, a Kangoo van, this van will come with a 5-year guarantee or 200,000 kilometre warranty. Folks, it's the biggest warranty you're going to get in the market. All for €329 per month. Just a note as well, when you look at this and pay the VAT of €4,470, you will get that VAT back on your next VAT return. So really, when you look at the overall, zero cash deposit. So there you have it. You don't pay any of your own cash, just pay the VAT, or your €18,130. Of course you'll take advantage of €4,000 scrappers allowance on this van as well. Monthly payment $329 or €76 per week. We're open all day on Saturdays from 10 o'clock to 5 p.m. We'll see you then.